Hi, I'm Dana Wilson with All-in-One Maid Service in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today we're here at Towers Murray Plumbing to demonstrate how to remove rust and mildew spots from toilets. Okay, to remove rust and mildew stains from a toilet, usually it's that really hard to handle ring that goes around the toilet bowl right here. And a lot of times you'll see rust up here as well underneath the lip. So the first thing you want to do is get a pumice stone, and by this I mean one that you would use on calluses or on your feet. You can buy it at any retail store, and just take it and lightly scrub the ring. Don't scrub really hard, just lightly scrub it. You'd be surprised how well it works. Scrub up and down, side to side. Obviously, you'll want to wear a glove for this. And after, you might take a little bit, a minute. After you get that part done, you want to take, you can either take a scrub brush that you're going to throw away after, or a toilet bowl brush. Just add some toilet cleaner, or you can use abrasive cleaner such as Comet or anything, and just scrub around it. And that just removes a lot of the debris that you just knocked loose from the pumice stone. Also, to get up under, just don't be afraid to really get in there and attack it. Use Comet, toilet bowl cleaner, and then whenever you're done, just flush the toilet. And if you need to keep going, just repeat the whole process. You'll be surprised if you can see this clean area compared to the rest of the ring that's still around the toilet. Once again, I'm Dana Wilson, and we just demonstrated how to remove rust and mildew from toilets.